Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do the treasure digging event and grow a garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the shop and you will see Digs Now option, and I'm going to tap on that. Okay, and you will get the trowel for free guys, and I got 10 trowels, and now it's time to try the treasure digging. I'm going to choose this one. Oh my god. Oh, okay, there is a treasure. Oh no, miss. Oh my god. Oh, okay, I got treasure. Yay, I got Christmas present. Okay, and the trowel will be resetted automatically guys, and you can come back next day. Okay guys, and that's how you can do the treasure digging event and grow a garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.